In recent years, jumbo glass has become more and more popular and larger. The safety of glass on windows is an issue we must pay attention to, so today we will talk about safety glass. Hi, this is Hardcore Glass Knowledge Popularization Channel. Follow me, let you know different glass knowledge. In the definition of Chinese construction safety glass management regulations, safety glass is a type of glass which is roughly divided into two types, tempered glass and laminated glass. Both are safety glass and both require 3C certification, so it is not the only tempered glass needs to have the 3C mark, and so does laminated glass. No matter what kind of film it is, as long as it is laminated glass, it needs the 3C mark. Tempering and lamination are both deep processing steps. The choice of safety glass still has to start with the original piece. Currently, common white glass and extra white glass are commonly used on the market. On the premise of taking safety as the first standard, it is recommended to give priority to extra white glass, which have fewer impurities and lower explosive rates. On the premise of a good original film, the most important thing for safety glass is deep processing. The deep processing process of glass is simply cutting, grinding, tempering, and laminating. These are all related to the safety during use. What comes after when combining insulating glass sheets? There are several key points that determine the safety of the glass. The first is edge grinding. After the glass is cut according to size requirements, there will be flash burrs around each piece of glass. These burrs need to be polished off in a separate processing step. This step is a very important edge treatment of the glass before tempering. According to experience, there are roughly several levels from worst to best. The worst is no edge grinding, which is common in low-end glass produced by small workshops that are not tempered. Then there is rough grinding and chamfering, which is more common. Then fine grinding makes the edge of the glass smoother. Then there is crystal film polishing. The edge of the glass is even as smooth and delicate as the front. These are all related to safety, because after edge grinding, safety glass will need to be tempered, and the surface tensile stress and internal compressive stress of the tempered glass will also be balanced. If there are burrs or flaws on the edge of the glass, the uneven stress on the edge will increase the self-explosion rate of the glass. We even think that the grade of the glass can be distinguished by the edge treatment of the glass. The smoother, the better.